this is the book of current affairs that I got recently, and it is a compilation of all the current affairs from last year, from 2025. It is quite helpful for those who have missed it. That is the last year's current affairs. It is given in a very short way. The next book is the maths book of Sir Aditya Ranjan. It is quite helpful for me to solve questions from this book. It has a lot of MCQs from each and every chapter, and I just use the online free version for the concepts. Next is my current affairs copy, which I use to note down every day. And yeah, also I use this book of Parmarisa Se for the concepts for GK, and it has all the subjects starting from history, polity, geography, science subjects also. It also consists of the static portion. Yes, all these books are quite helpful for railway preparation as well as SSC preparations.